We're here today to talk about desktop virtualization, and we're actually out there trying to let people know that this is the next stage in virtualization technologies, and that it's real and it's happening now, and that we need the support of the rest of the development industry, the rest of the software industry, the hardware industry, to build new technologies to support this desktop virtualization as it starts to grow in large numbers in the next couple of years. So I mean, we're looking at partners to do things like thin clients, desktop appliances, new methods for managing centralized networks, new methods to manage network infrastructure, and also new business models to support virtualized desktops. So there's an idea of that's brewing around being able to offer desktops as a service over the internet. Right. So this kind of technology enables those kind of new ideas, and that's what we're here to talk about. Well, we're showing a product that's due out in the next couple of months, so it's not available today. It'll be in beta next month. It's called Citrix and Desktop, and just like I was describing before, it combines the capability of the ICA interface, so the ICA protocols deliver that great user experience. We have the application infrastructure that is provided as part of the overall Citrix solution, and we have the OS virtualization as well. So that we use another acquisition that we did a while back called Ardence. That technology is actually used to help us deliver one copy of the OS to all the virtualization, all the VMs that are inside your desktop solution. So we bring not only the hypervisor technology, so the VM technology, but we also have provisioning server technologies that allow you to take a single OS copy and deliver that to all your desktops inside of your organization. So we're talking about reducing storage requirements by up to 90% by using this technique. And one of the most important things is that we use our ICA protocols to deliver a very high quality user experience. So the kind of performance you're going to get on a Citrix-based desktop virtualization solution like Zen Desktop is going to be a lot better than what you're going to see from anywhere, from anybody in the industry. And lastly, we have key technologies that we built our business on, like application virtualization from presentation server. And it's very important to think about applications when you're virtualizing your desktops. We don't recommend you put copies of all your applications on every VM. We suggest that you provide those applications through our application server technology, through our presentation server technology, deliver that to your VMs, and provide that whole best practices solution to your end users. ICA has always been capable of doing very real graphics performance for applications. All we're doing is taking that same technology and applying that to desktop virtualization. So your experience of navigating Windows and going on your Internet Explorer and all that, the kind of performance you're going to get in a remote environment, a centralized desktop environment, is going to be the same or better than what you get from your existing PC, which is pretty amazing. On the presentation server side, which used to be called Metaframe, as I was saying before, being able to deliver applications through our existing presentation server infrastructure directly into the VM gives you that best of breed solution, so that you get best application performance and best VM performance using a single desktop image. With Zen, we have server virtualization. We're talking here today about desktop virtualization, and we really talk about the presentation server as application virtualization. So all these three flavors of virtualization is the kind of story that no one else can really tell other than Citrix.
Where does Citrix fit in that Microsoft world?
Well, just like we've always done, every time that Microsoft comes with a new technology or enters in a new space or provides terminal services capabilities, we build on top of that. So we're going to be building on top of all of Microsoft's virtualization technologies. We'll be fully supportive of their hypervisor as it comes out inside of Citrix and Desktop. So anything that Microsoft comes with, we're going to be continually working in partnership with them and helping them get into these new markets.
Okay, great.